In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close or delete a PayPal account. If you no longer need your PayPal account and you want to close it permanently, the process is quite simple. Before you begin, it's important to understand that closing your account is a final action, so you should make sure everything is in order first. In particular, you'll want to empty your balance and cancel any automatic payments or subscriptions connected to the account so you don't run into issues afterward. To get started, sign into your PayPal account as usual. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon. This will open your account settings, which is where you can manage the main details and options related to your account. After that, go to the Account tab. This section contains the general account management settings, including the option to close the account. Take a moment here to review everything if needed, especially if you want to double-check that there are no remaining funds sitting in the balance. Before moving forward, make sure your PayPal balance is completely empty. If there is still money in the account, you'll usually need to transfer it out before you can close it. You should also make sure to cancel any automatic payments, recurring subscriptions, or billing agreements linked to PayPal. This is an important step because if any active payments are still connected, they can cause problems later or interrupt the closure process. Once everything is cleared and ready, stay in the Account section and click Close Your Account. PayPal may ask you to confirm your decision, and in some cases it may show a final review screen before completing the request. Just follow the on-screen prompts to finish, and that's all there is to it. The main thing is to make sure your balance is empty and any automatic payments are cancelled before closing the account. That helps the process go smoothly and prevents any surprises afterward. If you're following along, take your time with each screen so you don't miss anything. Once the account is closed, you may lose access to its history and settings, so it's a good idea to review anything important beforehand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close your PayPal account quickly and easily.